Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove SIM cards from your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the bottom side of your phone and here you will find SIM tray hole. Okay, just insert SIM ejector tool into this hole and gently push down into the hole and the SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Just take it out from your phone. Yes, it has come. Now you have inserted two SIM cards and they are showing here. First one is available here. Just with your hand put like this and one SIM will be coming out and two SIMs have been now coming out from my tray, and the tray is now free from SIM cards. And now bring your phone and insert the tray into your phone. Insert here the tray and yes, gently push down into the phone and yes, it has been now removed. Okay, that is SIM cards have been removed from your device. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.